Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader Exotic Gardening and Sheri at Richerson.com. Well, it's Wednesday. We were treated to hot dogs for lunch in celebration of National Hot Dog Day. They weren't bad. They were cooked on a grill, so a little bit better than regular hot dog. Could have been grilled a little more for my taste, but a lot of people don't like them somewhat crispy. We did get some good news yesterday. It was Whirlpool yesterday that called, and they are replacing our refrigerator. They contacted us again this morning to let us know that it's going to be delivered on Tuesday. So I'm trying to get Tuesday off so that I can be there to deal with putting in the refrigerator. Oh, excuse me. But at least they are replacing it. And I'm hoping that they will, take the old one out when they bring, they'll exchange them, that I don't have to deal with trying to get the old one out and the new one in, that they will take care of all of that. Although I need to remember to turn off the water to the refrigerator so I can disconnect the water line so we can get the refrigerator out without a whole lot of water everywhere. Wow, sorry, I am yawning like mad today. It is another hot day today. It's just supposed to get worse this week. I think by Friday it's supposed to be probably at least 90 degrees or mid-90s, and so with the humidity we'll probably be looking at 100-degree temperatures, which puts it well into 110 range inside. So it'll be brutal. But today wasn't too bad. It's kind of a light day, and so I actually got done early. But we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. Another yawn. Oh, wow. Okay. Big part of this is just the heat. It is just draining. I came out and got in the hot van and trying to get it cooled off, but it's taken a little bit, and so it just it's hard. Oh well. Anyways, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. We'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening.